Meet professional snowboarder Mike Basich. When he's not riding, he's dreaming up incredible adventure vehicles in his shop. For his latest creation, he's teamed up with Barrel Brewing to build the BeerCat, a beer pub on a snowcat. Follow along as he documents the build and brings the BeerCat to life.
The roof got fucked. I guess we know what we're doing right now. We have all new sheets of plywood for the roof. We got so behind on the whole storm part, but you know what? I'm gonna never complain about Mother Nature bringing snow or rain. Getting there. Now that the roof is fixed, it's time to install the insulation. This whole process, well, the way I do things, kind of go with it, work with it, make changes, and usually it works out pretty good. The siding is here, which is pretty nice stuff. It's aluminum 4x8 sheets. First piece of siding's on. And we have our ceiling is almost in for good. This is an exciting part because this is kind of what it's going to look like. With the structure complete, the next phase is to build the walls that fold down into decks. Well, today is hinge day. We got something going. It's pretty springy. Oh, this is a great start. There's still a lot of weight that needs to go on it. Now that the doors are framed up, I'm going to install the hydraulics. Okay, moment of truth. Cut. It worked. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. We're gonna put it back up. So this is actually pretty bad news. So it's not lifting it. There's too much weight. If we get a different angle, we're gonna get some different pressure. This is the decision. It's actually a big decision right here. We're gonna cut in here and bring this through the floor. We're ready to test this sucker out. Dang it. Okay. More work, that's all it means. Fingers crossed here. Guess what? It is working! Stoked.